For those of you who don't know, 2001 Honda CRV. It's on 18 by 9.5 rotiform CCVs, True Heart coilovers, True Heart camber kits. Pretty much needs a whole rebuild. So I'm about to start ripping apart now. Shit all fucking wet, bro. What the fuck's wrong with me? There you go. All this shit off though. You guys might already be able to see why I'm tearing the shit apart. Burnt the hole through there and cracks on the structure over here, but see if we can't get that fixed. It's not a problem. Not too worried about it. It is what it is. And now I'm just stripping everything out the bay. I may eventually be pulling the motor out. Probably not today because it's a little cold, but it's really not that bad. I just don't want to pull a motor out here like this, so kind of tired of it. Been doing it a lot. Don't really want to do it no more. So I'm just stripping everything out today. Probably gonna be taking out radiator, fans, complete chassis harness for the headlights, fuse box, pretty much anything that's on metal along all of this. Okay, this right here could have went back with this. I'll probably be getting all new of this shit anyway, so. Oh, I actually got a new one of those somewhere over there. Got too much shit. This is unplugged. This right here. You know, if I had the wheels off, probably would have been able to get all to these, but it's no biggie because I'm not reusing any of these factory little white things, little clips. I'm not reusing none of those. So it is what it is. Big bitch, come on. What the fuck? Can I get this out? No. What about a little persuasion? I'll get you out. Get you out, I don't know. You're almost there. A little rusted. There you go. Get that out the way. Also need to pop this off of here. These little clips are really annoying. They're really fucking annoying. If you know, you know. If you don't, well, it's a good thing you don't know. Let's see. I really should remove all the power steering stuff, but I don't want to leak anything. At least I did the coolant the right way. I put the coolant away in something, but whatever. Just keep going. There you go. So this right here, probably gonna be tucking through this grommet right here. Be ran through the inside just to get it out the engine bay. Gonna be doing a tucked look eventually. Not really no luck, but for those of you who would like to just do kind of a cheap one, a little cheap headlight harness tuck, look just as clean as this, but of course better. Let me know, show you how I did it on my hatch. It's pretty easy. But let's keep going. Like I said, I will not be keeping any of these. So if it's in the way, not anymore. Pop, pop, pop. Should have probably took this off. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. Wasn't too sure what size this was, but Hondas are all 10s and 12s, so let's take this bitch off. That was deep in there. There's the head-on socket somewhere. The fuck are you? The fuck did I do with it? A little crusty. Not surprised. I've used and abused the fuck out of this bitch for about 2 years now, so she's asking for a rebuild. Not a problem. Putting every 10 and 12 right there, so I know where they go. It's not a big problem. Where you at, bitch? Where you at? Here's a little update, the CRV. Got the crash bar out, AC, power steering, radiator condenser sitting over there. Probably gonna be upgrading to different stuff, so if anybody local needs any CRV parts, radiator condenser, fans, hard lines for the AC, everything's pretty much still good. Just go ahead and let me know. Other than that, swap is just about ready to get thrown up out of here. Need to just disconnect the fuel line, mount axles, and pull this bitch out. I do got quite a bit of stuff to do on the inside right here. Gotta get underneath the dash and pull this through, clear that out the way. Same thing on the other side. Just having some troubles getting this bitch through, so need to just get underneath here, get that up out of there. Just really didn't want to take everything apart in here, but gotta do what you gotta do, so it is what it is. For the meantime, basically it. Got everything out. Headlights, overflow, chassis harness, battery tray, all that stuff's out of there, so just taking it day by day. I'm in no rush. We're in Michigan right now, it's cold as fuck, but gotta do what you gotta do. Let's get it.